CAD CAM in dentistry. CAD CAM stands for Computer Aided Design and Computer Aided Manufacturing. First step of computer aided design and manufacturing is the digital impression, which we use an intraoral scanner to make it. Alternatively, we can make a manual measurement of the patient's tooth and use an extraoral scanner also to make a similar model, like a scan of the model can also be done. The next is for the CAD CAM process is the design process. CAD stands for Computer Aided Design. Now let's look at the design process. For an example, now let's look at a design of this particular canine and say that we want to give a laminate or a veneer on this canine. So then we go ahead and draw a margin for that particular tooth and we bring it up. We can enlarge it the way we want. So it helps us to completely magnify, see where all we want to design, and then we go ahead and then make the margins of the particular tooth. We can see the margins being made, how the tooth structure is going to be, So that's how the made, and I can, over a period of time, I can adjust this to see this. Now I know, or if I want to say that I'm not happy with it, I can go ahead, repeat the entire thing process, which is not possible in the conventional way, where I do once, if there is something I need to change, I need to start all over again. Here I need not do that, I need not start all over again. It's available, I can start off right away, I can just go ahead and again repeat the process. So I know this is where my laminate margin is going to store. So I know that I can check how the preparation axis is, how it is going to be there. I can set the insertion axis. I can check all these things. Then I go to the design phase. When I go to the design phase, you can see it is virtually whatever the process I want is getting designed now. For example, if this is what is the model that is there, now you can see a tooth that has got designed on top of that. So once this design is there, then I can go ahead and I can change it also. This is the computer given design. I can adjust the design, I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller, I can work on it. You can see that I can make it little bulkier if I want, I can make it thinner, I can make it wider, I can make it longer. So whatever I want the design, it gives me the flexibility to add material, to smoothen material. So it's completely under our control. So once we do this process, the next step is the manufacturing. So we have done the design. It's just an example design. So when we do the actual work, so we check to see how the upper teeth and the lower teeth align. And all those elements can also, for example, we can check it against the lower jaw to see whether it is interfering, how the jaw movements are. All those things can also be checked. We can remove it and check this alone to see whether the design is smooth or not. We can check for all parameters and then go to what is called the manufacturing phase. The manufacturing phase is two-part. One is, this is the unit which is used to design it. When it comes to the manufacturing part, here we know this is how it's going to look. So then we have a block of ceramic which will subsequently look into it in the machining part. We will see how that block of ceramic is milled to the exact design that is formed here. So that's the machining part here. From here, once we press start, this this design is fed to a milling machine which mills it to the design. And say such a laminate will not take more than 8 to 10 minutes to get milled. So instead of the traditional 3 days to 1 week time frame, we can get a single tooth laminate, get milled, add color all out in 1 hour's time. So that's the advantage of this.
Do you like the video? Press the like button. Do subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive such videos. Thank you.